Hi friends, welcome back to Learn PSC Academy. Today's topic dairy technology. Now discuss about most important questions in dairy technology for FSO examination. First question, casein present in milk is found in the form of casein is present in milk is the form of calcium caseinate phosphatase complex. Calcium caseinate phosphatase complex. Second question, the basic for checking pasteurization efficiency is basic test for pasteurization efficiency of milk is phosphatase test basic pasteurization efficiency checking by phosphatase test. Third question, the acidity and pH of fresh milk vary with the acidity and pH of fresh milk vary with the species, breed, individuality, stage of lactation, health of animal, species, breed, individuality, stage of lactation, health of animal. Fourth question, Croton boiling is the test of carried out to determine heat stability of milk. Croton test is determine the stability of milk, heat stability of milk. Croton boiling test is determine heat stability of milk. Fifth question, how many parts by weight of 30 percentage cream and 4 percentage milk must be mixed to milk testing 5 percentage fat? How many parts by weight of 30 percentage cream and 4 percentage must be mixed to milk testing 5 percentage fat? Part 1, 30 percentage cream and 25 parts of 4 percentage milk must be mixed. Sixth question, protein efficiency ratio of cow milk is low as compared to buffalo milk. Protein efficiency ratio of cow is low as compared to buffalo milk. Seventh question, the principal function of lactose is to supply energy. Main function of lactose is supply energy. Eighth question, milk fat is oil in water type emulsion. Milk fat is oil in water type emulsion. Ninth question, dye reduction test or MBR test is carried out to determine the extent of bacterial contamination and growth in milk. MBRT test is methylene blue dye reduction test is commonly known as MBRT test is used to Cook method to access the complete microbiological quality of raw and pasteurized milk. Methylene blue reduction test or MBRT test is used to microbiological quantity of milk in or raw milk or pasteurized milk. 10th question, the product remaining after the removal of most of the casein and fat from milk in the process of cheese making is whey. 11th question, undesirable changes occurring in dairy products containing milk fat are undesirable changes occurring in dairy products containing milk fat are rancidity, tolovinus, fishiness. 12th question, the white of or milky appearance of cow's milk is due to the white or milky appearance of cow's milk is due to scattering of reflected light by the fat globules, and scattering of light by colloidal calcium caseinate. Scattering of reflected light by the fat globules, scattering of light by colloidal calcium caseinate. Milky or colloidal or whity appearance in milk due to scattering or reflected light or scattering of light by colloidal calcium caseinate. 13th question. The laxative and diuretic effects of lactose are due to laxative and diuretic effects of lactose are due to dehydrating action. Dehydrating action is the form of laxating and diuretic effect of lactose. 14th question. Whipping of cream is essentially due to increase in the temperature of cream. Increase in the temperature of cream. 15th question. Churning of cream or milk is depend upon. Churning of cream or milk is depend upon the temperature and acidity, fat content and its degree of dispersion, the degree of agitation and fluidity of the cream, the degree of agitation and the fluidity of the system. Depend upon the churning of cream or milk is depend upon the temperature and acidity, fat content and degree of agitation of fluidity of system. 16th question. A pronounced cooked taste and or odor of milk on heating its near boiling temperatures. A pronounced cooked taste and odor of milk on heating is near the boiling temperatures. Influence of heat on the protein and lactose. Influence heat on the proteins and lactose. Proteins and lactose is determine the taste and odor of milk. 70th question. The coagulation of milk protein by heat consists of the coagulation of milk proteins by heat consists of denaturation and agglutination. Denaturation and agglutination is coagulation of milk proteins by heat. Thank you.